This year, 6 Luxembourgish teams will take part in Europe's largest entrepreneurship event, Gen E 2022. So let's have a look on how you can vote for the 6 teams. First, you go to the website gene.eu, that is gen-e.eu, and here you enter the virtual expo. On your top right corner, you can see the expo area. Select expo area again. And here you've got the 2 tabs, JA Company and JA Startup. So for JA Company, you go to category Luxembourg, of course. And here you've got the 3 companies, Granetta, Hoppala and Citigam. When you click on their logo, you can vote for them, you can follow them on social media or read more about the company itself. And then you can go back, click on JA Startup and same procedure, select Luxembourg. And here you've got the 3 remaining companies, Footsteps, Alex and Tim's, and We Connect. Thank you so much for participating and for your support.